Hello everyone, welcome to Umang Solutions. Umang Solutions is a student community delivering knowledge on Android app development, web development and Python programming. Let's get started. Today we are going to discuss about the basic tags like the form tag and the table tag. So let's get started. Okay, this is my folder which I have which will be using for the whole playlist. So this is the image folder and I have created the first.html. This is the basic, like in the previous video I have displayed about the list and some basic tags in HTML. Now I am going to create some new folder, like new file here, and I am going to save it as form.html. Okay, this is my form.html. I am going to start my page, like I am going to test type HTML. Automatically all get displayed here, form tag. Okay, and in the body tag I am going to tell you about the form tag. Okay, now before like what is meant by form? See, form is nothing but up to now we didn't give any user interactivity. Like see, I can show you here, like this is our previous video tag, right? So here user can click on here, like he can see the text, that's all, but he couldn't interact with the website. Like interaction is nothing but he couldn't type any text, or he couldn't modify, or he couldn't change anything. So this is the basic, like there is no interaction with the user. But the form tag is nothing but we will be interacting with the user, like he can input some data to our website, we'll be processing some data and we'll be showing them some output. This is some complex task. I will be showing like how to process the form. But now in HTML, in basic HTML, how to create a form, like I will be showing it how to create a form. Okay, and what are the attributes to create a form tag. Okay, now let's get started. Let's like there is a pre-built tag like form. Click on less than and cam form, like you can see here form tag is there. I'm just opening my form tag and I'm going to align it in the center. Like the previous h1 tag, we have this form align center also. Like we have some under tag like input tag. Okay, input type equals to text and name equals to name. Okay, let's see, for example, name of the student. The name of the student. Okay, what I'm going to say is, so this is the form tag. Form tag is nothing but like we'll be creating, like see in real time examples. For example, if you are going to join in a college, like they will be giving some form. Like for example, if you are going to apply driving license, they will be giving some form, like application form. What we are going to do is we'll be going to fill all the details of our personal details, phone number, name, email ID, etc, etc. So here also in a website we'll be digitalizing the normal application form, like we'll be having some text boxes here. So in the text box user can directly input user, like for example basic, the form tag is nothing but, for example, if we are going to create an account in Facebook, right, they will be asking our email ID, username and password. That is a form. So like they will be applying some styles to it. So like they will be displaying some like in a good manner. But in form tag, so the basic the difference, the in the backend it is also a form tag. Okay, so name of the student, so type text. So input tag has two type attributes. So this is the, before declaring any form we need to start the form tag, and in inbuilt of it, and we have one input tag. Input is nothing but the name, in the meaning the name contains the meaning. Input means we need to input some text, right? So we'll be telling the HTML like please allow the user to input some data. So the tag will start with the form of text input. Okay, type means like input can be different ways, like we can insert any special characters or we can insert only numbers. Like for example in phone number only we can insert phone numbers, right, but we couldn't insert any some other text numbers, like it is invalid. So we'll be telling like what the type the user going to enter. So text is a normal thing, so text will accept all characters like special characters, numbers, normal alphabets, anything. Okay, name is nothing but, like for example it is the name of the student, right? So name will not be currently useful now, it will be soon we'll be soon using when we are going to discuss about JavaScript and mainly for PHP, like the further backend, like when we click on submit form, what the form tag need to be done, so then it will be useful. Okay, so name is useful then at that time. Okay, type equals to text. We have many types like type text equals to type equals to text, type equals to number, type equals to button. Will be soon, I'll be soon telling you about that. So this is the first. Okay, and name of the student, name of the student is nothing but the label. So what the output will be, see, I'll be soon showing it to you. Like click and open in browser. See, you can see here. Just I kept ln equals to center, so that is the reason it came to center. So I am just clicking on it. Automatically, this is the input. See, I can name of the student is Kiran. So I can input some data here. So this is the form tag. So we are giving some input here. Okay. I can type number here. Like I can type some special characters and anything I can type here. So since I given this is because since I given the name of the like type of the text is type text. So name of the student means it is the name of the input field which I am going to enter. So name of the student, it tells that whether please enter your name here. And we have some another attribute also like placeholder. Okay, placeholder is nothing but, for example, you know very well about the placeholder. It is nothing but, see, it is like a dummy text. So when I type before I just clicked on, I didn't click on the like the input field, it is showing me enter name. But when I click, automatically, like when I type any letter, automatically it get disappeared. So it is like a dummy text, like it is showing that please enter your name. So that's all. It will be useful when I am not declaring this name of the student. So see, I will be telling you I'm just cutting this text. So I'm just saving and I'm navigating the browser and I'm reloading. So see, instead of only empty input field, we have some placeholder in it. So it will be telling user that please enter your name here. So without having the name of the student also, so user gets interacted with the form. The main thing we need to remember when we are developing a website is we need to keep user in our mind. So what user thinks, what user sees, and in that way only we need to develop our site. Accessibility, the accessibility of the site is very important before developing any site. Okay, same like this, we have many input tags, like for example name of the student and like phone number. Like the phone number also same input tag. Sorry, just input, that's all. Type equals to number. Okay, automatically it just get displayed. And phone, you can name is not necessary for now, and this is one thing. So type equals to number, name equals to phone. We have some another also like the drop down. Drop down means, like for example, select qualification. Okay, select qualification. Drop down list means like select an option and BTech. So like drop down, I will be telling you, you are well aware about drop down, like degree, like some PhD. So I'm just saving and I am opening it here. See, it is displaying in a single line, so we are not having any break tag. So that is a line, it is automatically attaching. So after this input field, automatically phone number is attached, but I want the form to be in the vertical manner, so I'm having break tag here. So I am giving break tag. So here also break tag. So after a break tag, so automatically the next line will be in the next line. So name of the student, enter name, and phone number. So it is showing, like it is showing some attributes here. See, I'm just clicking here, automatically numbers gets incremented here. Look, I can type like numbers here is, for example, I'm just typing my text. I am just clicking on my keyboard, but it's not working. It is not allowing to type the text in the input field. So that is the main advantage of it. And the other thing is select qualification, like BTech, degree, PhD. It is a drop down. Okay, so I'm just clicking on it and degree. So the code written for is select. Select means basic difference, like we need to select this, like So that is the whole representation will be considered as a select. And options, so I just written in the form of option tag, right? BTech degree PhD. So how many options it's your wish, so every option needs to be included in the option tag, then only it will be displayed here. Okay, that is the drop down. How can we implement a drop down in a form tag? And we have another thing also, like the radio tag. Okay, radio tag means like a radio button. Radio means gender, like we have male and female, right? So male and female, so only a person can be either male or female, right? So for example, if we click on male button, automatically female gets unchecked, or if a person gets click on female, automatically male gets unchecked. So that is can be that is the button, like the circular button is called as radio button technically. Okay, we need to call this as a radio button. Okay, it can be implemented like say gender male, and we have direct like input type equals to radio. Okay, and name equals to gender and female, and the same as like input and type equals to radio and name equals to gender. See, remember guys, the main we need to remember is the name needs to be same. So a radio group, like male and female both are like the group representing gender, right? So here the name needs to be same. For example, if I click on if I type gender here, and there is and here some under name, so both male and female will not be in one group, so they will get separated. So if I click on male button, automatically female button gets not unchecked. Both needs to be same. So giving the same name, it tells the HTML, right? So both are in both are in the same group. Like for example, if I click on male, automatically female gets unchecked. So remember the name needs to be same. Okay. So I am just refreshing here. So you can see here male or female. Automatically it is changing, right? So for accessibility, I will be clipping here break button. Okay, break tag. So this is how we implement radio buttons, like for the gender. And we have another thing also, checkboxes. Checkboxes, like for example, we can implement for checkbox like year. For your accessibility, I am just clicking on year. So input type first year, and we have tag like input type checkbox. Checkbox name equals to, here also as like said before, for the radio button, both this male and female consist of same group, right? Male and female will represent gender group. So here also year, like first year, second year, third year, fourth year, these are all checkboxes. So these represent the year group. So name needs to be same. I am just copying for the time being. The same line will be copied like for 4 times. Okay, for accessibility, I am just writing only 2 lines. Okay, and this is second year, and this is third year. And see, okay, it is okay. So checkbox here. So checkbox is nothing but a square like so, and I will be keeping the break tag here, or else it will come in the same line itself. So I will be clicking on break tag, and I am just refreshing. So you can see here. You can see here, this is the normal text tag, this is the phone number tag, this is the drop down, and this is the radio button, and this is the checkbox. Like if I click on, the difference between checkbox and radio button is like in the radio button only one item can be selected from the total group, but from checkbox it is not like that. So anything, like if I can click I can select all, also all, I can select only 2%, anything you can select. Okay, so that is the difference between radio button and checkbox. And finally I need to submit a form, like I need to have some button. I need to submit, or else I will be telling you another thing also. Like if I want to upload the logo, upload the file of the person, like upload the photo of the person, we have another thing also, input type file name equals to like person img. Okay, so what I am going to do is input type file means, for example, we have seen like we need to upload our resume in some websites, or else the basic example is in Facebook itself we need to upload our profile picture, right? So it is also a form tag, so they will be asking to upload our file. So this is the button which will be there in the backend. So we'll be clicking on the image itself. So choose file. See, automatically our browser, like our file explorer, gets open. So I can upload my image here. Like I want to upload this image. Now click on open. Automatically here the file name got set here. Okay, but the problem is, I think you can observe, but I want to upload only image. That means I want to tell the user please upload only image, but the user accidentally uploads some PPT. Like I will click on open, automatically PPT gets uploaded, but it is a wrong, like it is invalid. We need to restrict the user to upload only images file, like dot image files. So we have another attribute like accept. So accept like images. So see what does it happen? See again here it is opening like image slash jpg. Again it is showing us all files, but like